If you have been hearing all the hype about ChatGPT and want it on your Android phone, good news! Installing is fast, simple, and it just takes a couple of taps. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to install ChatGPT on your Android phone step by step, from finding the official app to getting it set up and ready to use. Hey, what's up everyone, I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your Android phone, tap on the Play Store. Make sure you are signed in correctly to your Google account. To check on this, tap on the profile icon on the top right and ensure that you have signed in properly. Then, tap on the search icon and key in ChatGPT. Make sure you are downloading the official ChatGPT app by OpenAI. Tap on Install. Once you have installed the app, tap on it to open it. Tap on Continue once you have read the terms and conditions. Next, you will need to tap on Sign Up at the top corner. You can sign in with Google or sign in with an email or password. But the fastest and most convenient way is to just sign up with your Google account. The reason why you should always sign in to ChatGPT is because it will remember your previous chats and also give you the best answers based on your chat history with ChatGPT, giving you more personalized and relevant responses. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.